Now, the Director General of Civil Aviation has prohibited charging power banks in flight and using them with in-seat power systems after incidents related to lithium batteries catching fire mid-flight were reported. As per these new rules, the airlines were told to conduct safety risk assessment, and airlines were told that in this assessment, the aviation watchdog has recently issued a dangerous goods advisory circular, which now bars the use of power banks to charge portable electronic devices in flight. Now, these power banks and batteries are only now allowed to be carried in hand luggage, but not to be stored in the overhead bins in aircrafts. Passengers are also prohibited to charge their power banks by plugging them into the in-seat power supply systems that airlines provide. In October this year, a passenger's power bank had reportedly caught fire while an Indigo flight in Dimapur was taxiing for departure from Delhi's IGI airport. Now, no one was injured, and the fire was quickly extinguished by the cabin crew. Now, let's take a look at now we have Tanushka joining us for more on this. Tanushka, what do these new rules really mean for passengers? And could you give us more insight into what these new rules are all about?
Right, Disha. So these rules were being mulled over by the Director General of Civil Aviation in the month of October, and the circular came in November last year, and it got it implemented right after that. So these rules are with respect to power banks and spare batteries. Rules clearly mention that power banks and spare batteries can only be carried in hand baggage. Using or charging power banks is not allowed during the flight, and a passenger is also supposed to immediately inform the cabin crew if any device emits heat, smoke, or an unusual odor. The advisory also mentions that power banks and spare batteries shall also not be placed in overhead bins. Remember, up until now, we were carrying our power banks with our hand luggage and also placing them in the overhead bins. That's not allowed anymore. And the cabin crew has been also advised to educate the passengers in the prevention of such sort of a short circuit.